my name is Dr. Meier from Third Coast Foot and Ankle, and today we are going to introduce you to Swift. Swift is a new treatment that we're offering here at Third Coast Foot and Ankle specifically for warts. Now, if you've ever dealt with a wart before, you know that they're notoriously difficult to get rid of. The reason warts are hard to get rid of is because they are caused by a virus, and we don't have drugs that actually kill viruses. And we are dependent on our immune system to finish the job off for us. So a lot of our treatments, although it's damaging the skin from the outside in, we're also trying to activate the immune system from the inside out. This can be a very tricky process, and some of these treatments that we use can end up being pretty painful and uncomfortable in order to get that done. Now, some wart treatments do take consecutive treatments over and over and over again for months at a time. Depending on the patient, sometimes we get a quick resolve, sometimes it takes quite a bit of time to see that wart completely dissipate. And this is where Swift has really changed that for us, because it's not trying to damage the skin from the outside in, it's actually targeting those inflammatory markers or immune system to kill that virus without causing as much destruction to your skin. So the way this works is it's actually using microwave energy. And so this is the entire machine right here, and it's relatively simple. It has a small handle with a tip that comes on top. There's this small area right here, which actually produces the microwave. And so it's heating up your skin in the area of the wart, but just below that temperature of an actual burn in that area. What it does is it causes your body to have a heat response. So your body still recognizes that it doesn't like this heat and that it could potentially cause damage to the skin, and therefore all of the cells that can help fight off infections or bad things happening, specifically in this case a wart or those types of HPV viruses, become attacked, or they can now be seen because the immune system is looking for them appropriately. Now, the value of this treatment is that it's a lot less fuss than a lot of the other treatments, meaning that we do this. You still need multiple treatments over several months, but it's only once a month and there's no in-between treatment. So unlike some other treatments where you're coming in repeatedly over and over and over for different acid treatments or freezing treatments, this is a much more minimalist approach from that standpoint. Now, it is not pain-free. You know, if you can imagine having microwave energy put onto a wart, there is a little zappy feeling to it. And so the nice thing though is it's a very short-term discomfort. And so there's a sudden burst of discomfort and then it quickly dissipates. So there's no aftercare pain that you will oftentimes see when you're using lasers or other things that's destroying the skin, because in this case, we're not destroying the skin. We're just getting that immune system activated. So this has been a really, really great treatment for patients who have not been having an appropriate response with those traditional treatments. And it ends up being a little bit more cost effective. Even though this treatment is not covered by insurance, the number of visits it takes to get rid of the wart is significantly decreased using this type of treatment compared to other traditional treatments. So if you've been struggling with a wart and you want to try something else that's innovative, or if you're looking for something that is a little less time consuming or less painful, this may be a really good option for you, and we'd be happy to explain more of the process. So once again, this is our new Swift treatment for warts, and I'm Dr. Meier at Third Coast Foot and Ankle. Hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please like and share. That helps us out a lot.